What's up, YouTube? It's your boy OTB Day Ski. I'm back at it with another video, Ski, man. Look, today I got a prank. Y'all seen the thumbnail in the title. Why the fuck do I be putting myself in these predicaments? Yeah, your ass be tripping. Anyways, I'm finna leave to Dallas. Before I leave to Dallas, I gotta prank her ass. And that's on what period? Fuck, nigga. I said it like YN, so what? Sassy, because I said it like a grown ass man to say it. You feel me? But anyways, I'm gonna prank her. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put Kicking with Kaya as my background. I'm scared. Y'all, I don't think I ever did this type of prank, bro. Putting somebody as my background on her. Like, oh, I'm scared, bro. Wait, dude, like, so, should I have, boom. I looked it up on Google, by the way. I looked it up on Google. To be honest, like, ain't no girl better than my girl, so this is really like a prank. It's just a prank, y'all. Don't like no Cooking with Kaya. You feel me? I could care less. Feel me? Boom. Let me see. I'm gonna tell her grab my phone or something. Oh, that bitch big. I don't know why it enlarged like that. Do y'all still be doing that? It enlarged like that? But anyways, I'm gonna just tell her grab my phone. Be talking on some cool shit like, babe, grab my phone. Like, what time is it? Like, she gonna see Cooking with Kai. Y'all know how Nicole get. Like, she be flashing. I hope she don't put her hands on me. Like, she be slapping the shit out of my arm or something, pinching me and shit. Like, she like a little mean motherfucker. But I love that little mean motherfucker. Look. So we gonna get into this prank. And y'all, it's Christmas Eve. Y'all probably like, why is you doing this on Christmas Eve? Y'all, I already done gave her a gift, so she's in a bright mood. But I'm finna bring it down. But I'm gonna bring it back up because I'm gonna have to kiss some ass after this prank. I said kiss, and I eat too. I might have to eat some ass too. Might have to. But that's besides the point, bro. All the freaky stuff is behind. Don't think about it no more. We done with that. Anyways, let's get into this prank. Nigga, if you ain't like, comment, subscribe, what you doing? Cause we at what? Hold on, let me go look at my YouTube. We at 216K, brother. 216K. Y'all, we on the road to 300K, man. Hey, y'all subscribe up. If you new to the channel, nigga, what's up, nigga? I'm OTB Day, nigga. I'm the latest on the tube. Oh, God, nigga. Fuck with me. But we gonna get into this prank, man. I'm finna get in trouble, so put W in the chat before this prank even start. I love y'all niggas. I love y'all niggas. That was to my girl. That wasn't to y'all. That was to y'all TV. So don't be kissing me back if y'all let. I'm talking too much, bro. I'll see y'all niggas in a little bit. What you doing, SJ?
Playing Fortnite ski.
Let me show you something. You gotta be quiet, though. Look at this.
What is that?
That's Cooking with Kaya.
I'm gonna tell my sister on you.
Wait, it's a prank, bro. I haven't showed it to her.
Oh, it's a prank?
Yes.
I'm glad. She gonna get mad, though.
Am I gonna get slapped?
Probably so. You probably gonna get bit, too.
She be biting?
But she gonna get mad, though.
So should I do this prank, or is this too far?
It's a little too far. I'm just warning you,
You
bro.
like Cooking with Kaya, though, don't you? I know you like Cooking with Kaya.
But you got a girlfriend, bro.
I got a wife.
Yeah. Who is it?
Your sister.
So why you got her on your phone?
It's a prank, bro.
You go. Whose phone this is?
I'm gonna tell her, I'm gonna be like, what time is it, babe? I'm gonna blame it on you, okay? I'm gonna say, that's SJ phone, okay? No, what are you doing?
I just need to see something.
No, don't show her.
I think I'll show her.
Cause I gotta prank her still.
No.
See, doing? See, I can tell you about no pranks. You supposed to be in on a prank, bro.
They'll be like, should I go in her room and be like, Maya, Daddy got Cooking with Kaya as his lock screen.
Nah, you should hear us arguing and be in on it and be like, what's wrong with that?
She ain't gonna know who it is. I'm gonna run away and go back to my room and she gonna be like, who is that?
Yeah, be like, ain't nothing wrong with him having Cooking with Kaya on his phone. Say, I like her.
Let's go.
You lost me. What's wrong with you?
Y'all see? Y'all see me? Wait. Move.
What you doing?
Finna the green that fan.
They seen the other video. They seen me doing you bad. The work.
No. Look, go clip that part where I hit the.
You didn't do that to me. Anyways, I just came here to tell you what's finna go on. If you hear a little ruckus, you know what's going on, okay?
Ruckus? Like
Ruckus.
fighting?
Yeah.
Like, what happened in there if you hit my sister though? No cap.
Who gonna hit your sister? I'm not a woman beater. Who I look like? I like Tank Davis. He beat women.
Tank Davis did do that.
I don't beat women. Stop playing on me.
Hey,
You
man.
finna get back to the brain.
Cause I'm rolling on my broccoli. No, baby, I'm burning me. I found my aquaphor.
It's my aquaphor.
I want aquaphor. Get that shit back. Quick. Just play it. Ow.
My bad. I'm sorry. Hey.
You know you can't dance.
You say I can't? I can trip out now.
Let me see.
Hold on. I gotta be in mood.
And I'm gonna trip out. You doing a little song? You got the movement to it.
Gots to have the movement. But it's just like,
Catch.
see how quick I am? Why did you flinch like that? Why did you flinch like that?
Cause I'm scared.
Babe.
Wait. On my screen?
Yeah.
Okay.
ASAP no Rocky.
Okay.
ASAP no Rocky. Before I leave. Cause you know I'm finna leave. Feel me? I'm gonna miss you so much, bro.
How much?
More than words could explain.
More than words could explain.
More than words could explain.
Did your arm just pop and you be trying to talk about me?
That was an accident. It was an accident. Hold on. That's because all the stuff in my pocket.
There we go.
These shoes so hard. Got them shoes from my baby. Watch, this how you trip out. Hey, this how y'all started off? Bow. Alright, now.
You ready to go to Dallas? You ready to leave me for 5 days?
I'm not ready to leave you, but I am ready to go to Dallas.
Are you up, like, to drive?
What's that song? Up like Donald Trump. No cheat, Donald Trump. You don't know that song? It's about Ray Sherman. We should sing that shit back in the day. Back in my
Up
day.
like Donald Trump?
Yeah.
Fuck Trump.
Yeah. The song was because like Donald Trump's rich. Yeah. Fuck Donald Trump. No cheat, Donald Trump. Yeah, we wanted Kiara Harris to win, right? That's what we wanted to win.
Kamala?
Yeah.
Kamala?
Yeah. Whatever. See, I don't know her name. We both confused. Bro, I'm happy that tomorrow is Christmas, but I'm sad because Christmas is going to be over with. It's like the wait for Christmas
It's like,
return.
damn. Like, fuck, man.
Fuck you, Danny. Fuck you, Danny. So when I'm gone, you going to get the ring resized?
Yeah.
It's not even going to be open. You might as well wait till I come back.
It is the day after Christmas. It will be. You're not gonna be here the day after Christmas.
That is loose. It'll come off a little too easy.
I just need like one size down.
One size down?
Yeah, I'm gonna be good.
Did you like all your Christmas gifts?
I love my Christmas gifts.
I see. Got that purse.
You like your gifts?
I love my gifts.
High five. Nose, give me nose. We never do that. That's our new thing.
Give me nose. Give me
We won't
nose.
do that. Okay.
I just gave you.
You just gave me face.
Nah, for real. But I'm probably gonna leave around like 10. What time is it? Can you tell my phone? Probably like 10. It's already 10. Oh. Oh, you
Who the
bitch.
fuck is this on your phone? Don't play. For real.
Oh, that ain't you. That's you.
Then you got it zoomed in on her like this cooking with Kaya. This that Kaya girl. Don't for real. Don't piss me off for real. Cause I'm not finna play with you. And you finna
Hey.
leave and shit. You always be acting weird when you finna leave.
Hey,
Give me this shit.
hey, chill.
And then you want me to switch my phone to us. Like I'm not finna what?
Hey, that's.
What do you mean? It's a whole nother female on your phone,
She
and
just
I'm
be
not
cooking,
tripping.
bro.
She
I
just
like her
be
videos.
You like her videos.
Cooking with
Since-
God. Babe, we
Stop,
like that
I'm
music.
not- no, we don't. We never watched that shit, and you never watched it in front of me. What are you talking about?
Babe,
We what? She don't even really much pop up on my For You page because I don't track vids like that.
babe, I don't even watch
That
it on
mean you-
there. I watch it on
Like
YouTube.
you were bold enough to have this as your lock screen.
She
What
be
do
on
you mean?
YouTube. It's my favorite YouTuber.
I be on YouTube.
Babe,
I be with you. I be on YouTube.
you my favorite
Cooking
YouTuber.
with Maya.
You my favorite YouTuber after her.
What you mean?
After her, you my favorite
So
YouTuber.
she number one, I'm number two.
Yes. That's
You
love,
don't
babe.
even watch her in front of
Babe.
me, so like I'm
I-
confused. I'm finna take your shit off my phone.
Why?
Because
Don't do that.
no,
Don't do that.
no,
Don't do that, babe.
no,
Babe.
no. I'm finna go make a cooking with Maya page at that.
Babe, I got your ringtone as her sound. That's
Stop playing for real.
That's how you know I
finna
love
leave.
you.
What you
That's
mean?
what I'm
You're
saying. That's how you know I love
You're
you.
literally finna leave, and then you pull some shit like this.
Cooking with God.
I'm not for real.
Okay. You ain't heard
Not cooking with shit.
Hey, we were just tripping
Stop.
out and chilling.
What? Okay, can I ask you a question? Like, what makes y'all like her? Like, what is it? Like,
Let
you
me
know
show
what I'm
you.
saying? Because I don't get the hype.
Let me show you. Let me see my phone. Let me show you. I'm gonna show you. Like, what you mean you don't get the hype? Like, you don't get, like, what's so appealing?
Yeah. You really finna piss me off, for real.
What you mean? I'm gonna show you. Because we was just doing. Babe!
Stop. I'm not playing with you, for real. This is not funny. I'm not playing. Stop.
Tell me how to trip
You watch
out.
her YouTube videos?
Yes.
I never watched one of her videos.
You gotta start, babe.
Where is her channel at?
Oh, I guess it's no channel.
You watch her TikToks?
I like this one.
Move. You watch her videos?
Yeah.
It turn you on?
No, not turn me on. I just like the food. Like,
The
I be.
food?
Yeah,
What? I can learn how to cook.
I know you be. Babe, it's not about that, babe.
What?
Babe, it's just. She just showed me, like, how to cook. So I can cook for you.
What you mean? It's hella people that you can learn from
But
on
babe,
how to cook.
They just not Kaya.
That's what I'm saying. Why is she so different? You're not telling me why she's so different
It's
from
her-
other people.
It's her vibe.
Her vibe.
She be like cooking with God. Don't hit me, please. Please don't hit me.
Why are you playing?
Okay. Serious. We serious. We serious, baby.
Stop.
Okay.
I'm not playing for real.
I'm not playing. You don't want to joke. Okay. I love you. And
Y'all talk?
who cooking with Kaya?
Mm-hmm.
If I can get in touch with her, yeah. But I want to do a deep. Why you just hit me like that?
You play too damn
Okay,
much.
that ain't even my phone. That's SJ phone.
What you mean? That's not SJ
Cause you know
phone. I
SJ
just
like
bought
cooking with
SJ
Kaya.
phone.
Yeah, that's SJ other phone.
This one?
Ask SJ.
Shut up. Or this one?
Let me see the other one.
This one? Or this one?
That one. Ask SJ.
Bro, SJ ain't even that thirsty. He mess with cooking with Kaya, but he's not that thirsty.
He
to put
love
him on.
her. Ask SJ.
Stop.
Ask
Okay, why is
SJ.
she so different? Why? Like what? Why do you like her more than me? Like if that's the case, go.
I don't
get
like
with
her more than
but
you.
you just said that she like number one
YouTube.
in front of me.
YouTube, babe. I didn't
She
say
don't have a YouTube channel, so I'm confused.
She got
She don't have a YouTube channel. We just looked that up on your phone.
she got shorts.
Alright.
She got shorts. And when she be wearing her shorts, she be like cooking with God. Like,
You be looking at her ass?
she be like this.
You be looking at her ass?
Oh, babe. I don't even like your ass. you know.
Get up off me, for real. I'm not playing with you.
Why is you getting so mad?
But I'm just saying, like, go be with her.
Hey, I'm finna leave.
Have her cook for you.
We don't need to be getting into
So you don't have to starve over here no more. Go have her cook for you.
Oh.
Go have her cook for you.
I like Uber with Maya.
No.
Uber with...
I'm not playing, for real.
I like that shit.
You trying to be funny. Give me this. Go to Dallas. Fuck.
You ready for me to go?
Yes.
Alright. Alright. I'll be right back.
Do too damn much. Cooking with Kaya in my ass. Ooh, shit. I said something I'm not supposed to say.
Bro, AJ, tell her that's your phone, bro. Tell her that's your phone.
That's not your phone, right? Mm-mm. Exactly. Like, he's not that thirsty over
Bro,
no
get out,
Kaya.
bro. You didn't even...
You supposed
Get
to
out,
been gone
Get
about
out,
your
bro.
business. Go to Dallas, like I said. Go.
Why
Leave.
you
Go be with your
kicking me
family.
out, bro?
Go be with your family.
Can I take
Go
my
find
Christmas
Kaya.
present?
Go text Kaya.
Can I take
Go
my
text
Christmas
Kaya. I
present?
know she'll text you back. Go text her.
I'm gonna bring her over
Matter
here.
of fact, put her on your YouTube channel. She on tour right now.
Like, I'm gonna do what DDG did.
For real? I'm not
okay.
playing with you. Get on
All
my
right.
face. You're playing with me. I'm not playing with
Babe,
you.
chill.
Chill what?
Let me tell you something. Cooking with Kai ain't got nothing on you, babe.
Stop. You just said she's like #1 up on me on YouTube, shit like that. Like, okay, cool. If you feel that way, go fuck with her. Like, I don't know. You're not gonna sit up here in my face and tell me all this shit and think shit cool. No, go be with Cooking with Kaya. Go.
You
Go
don't
fuck with her.
understand. This shit can be big. We can all collaborate.
I don't give a fuck about collabing with.
This shit can be big.
It's no shade against her at all. I don't care about that though. You know what I'm saying? Like,
you're not seeing the vision.
What's the vision?
It could be, look, just listen. It could be OTB Day, D-My and Nicole, collab, Cooking with Kaya.
I still don't see it. That shit don't even make sense. We don't cook. We both don't know how to cook at all.
That's the point.
We never talked about learning how to cook. No. I'm not doing it.
You know what? I'm just gonna go with Cooking with Kaya then.
Go. Fuck. Go.
I don't even care.
That's cool.
Cooking with Kaya is where it's at.
Fuck you in Cooking with Kaya.
But I love you though.
Got my face.
It's a prank. It's a prank. Look, they looking at you. Give me nose.
Move. For real. I'm not
It was
playing.
a
I'm finna
prank.
get my gifts back.
What you gonna do? Cooking with Maya.
No, you just said Uber with Maya. Like, that was not funny.
I'm sorry. I'm done pranking, babe. I'm finna go.
Go to Dallas. Go. Your mama waiting on you.
Yeah. I don't watch Cooking with Kaya at all. This is my favorite YouTuber. I love you.
Keep talking.
This is my favorite YouTuber, D-My and Nicole. She's the best YouTuber on YouTube, on God, on my mama. And ain't nobody fucking with her. You bitches not even close to it. Keep talking.
Yes.
And this my little shit. This my little we married. And like I said, y'all can't fuck with her. And she cook better than Cooking with Kaya. The fuck? That was good, babe.